Hi, I'm Mira, the full-time anonymous creator, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I edit my course videos on Udemy for free using Canva. There are many video editing software out there, and probably you wouldn't think of Canva as one of them. But I chose Canva because firstly, it has many powerful features for editing videos. It is easy to learn. It's basically just drag and drop and with some clicks of button. And finally, and I feel that is the most important reason, it is because the time taken to export the video is short. Unlike many other softwares like maybe OpenShot and CapCut, they take quite a long time to export a video that you have edited. For Canva, it usually just takes a few minutes or sometimes even seconds to download the final version of your video. So when you're making courses and you have course videos that last maybe 3 hours, or you have many videos that you need to edit, this adds up. So the very key reason why I chose Canva is because the time taken to export the video is much shorter compared to other software. Take note, if you want to use Canva for free, okay, the video editing portion, then you need to keep your videos to within 30 minutes. But which should be sufficient for most course videos because each video is usually around 10 or 20 minutes. Seldom I exceed 30 minutes, so it's fine for me. But I do know that for some course creators, because of the nature of what they are teaching, each video might exceed 30 minutes. Then if that's the case, if you want to use Canva, you might like to consider using the Pro version. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to edit videos using Canva. In this video here, I showed you how I recorded a course using Zoom, and we are going to use the video that I showed you in that video for the edit. Alright, so now let's go to Canva and edit the video. So to do so, you will need a Canva account, log it in. Okay, and then go to this button here, click Create Design and search for video. Okay. So once you have that video, once you're in this page here, you can upload the videos that you want to edit. So you can upload by pressing this upload file and search for the file that you want. Or alternatively, you can do a drag and drop. So look for the folder, drag the file in here. So I've already uploaded my files. Okay, file that we will be editing for.
Okay, so let me start filming.
Okay, so this will be the file that I will be editing in this video here. Okay, so now let's start off by dragging it and do a full screen. So you can do this by set video as a background. So once you have done that, you can start playing and decide what you want, how you want to edit it. So the first portion that I want to edit off is here. So
okay, so let me start filming this video.
So I do not want this portion here, right? I do not want to say let me start filming this video. Why would I want to say that? Okay, so this part I definitely want to cut it off. Okay,
so hi, well,
so before the hi, so I'm going to look for the hi.
Hi, well,
so the hi starts here, right? So I'm going to split this video here. Okay, and I'm going to delete this portion here. Okay, so now you'll start with
hi, welcome.
Okay, so this is where I will start. All right, and maybe before I start, I would also like to include maybe a page. Okay, oops, I want to add page before. Okay, so because I want the page before the video, I'll just drag it over to in front of this video. And I want to have a slide. Okay, so I can search opening slides for programming. Okay, so maybe I'll use this. So I will call this Python strings. Okay, so this slide I'll call it Python strings. Okay, and I do not want it so long, so maybe I want to change the duration of this slide to maybe just 1 second, and or I can just drag it until it's just 1 second. Okay, good enough. So let's see whether it is what I want. So I'll start with Python.
Hi, welcome to this course.
Okay, then I'll talk in this course, right? So I'll introduce what is Python and so on.
So
I don't like the so what I'll do is maybe I will split the video and delete it.
in the code.
Okay, so I don't want this portion onwards.
So we can.
Okay, so I want to go to before we can. So I think it's here. Let me try again. So I want to delete it off.
So we can.
Okay, split it. So to split it, you can right click, okay, and press split, or you can put function as. Okay, so once you split it, this is the portion that I do not want. Just press delete, it's gone. So now I don't have the so inside the video. It's
Typing the code can save a.
There is this portion here in the video that I've missed out. So because for when I was filming this video using Zoom, okay, I was actually using 2 screens. So there was a portion where I was typing the code, but it didn't show up. This is where I run the code, or the console log, something like that. Okay, that shows up. Okay, but I did not show the other screen that I wanted. Okay, so in order to do so, you need to go to Zoom and you need to switch the window so that the other window, okay, will show up. So just remember, this is a mistake that I made when I was recording this course. So if you have 2 videos, sorry, 2 screens that you want to show, okay, although it is the same program, Zoom will not automatically go to the other window that you are using for the same program. You need to go to Zoom and manually switch the window. If not, it will not be recorded. So for this video here, I missed out recording one of the windows. Okay, so I've re-recorded it, and it is in my video, and it is this video here. So what I'm going to do is I want to put in this video here.
So
okay, I need to silence this portion because I don't want to have 2 videos talking. If not, it sounds something like this.
save a string as a variable. So save a string as a variable.
No, not what I want. So okay, let me mute this video here. Okay,
Name. So I'll call it.
okay, let me play back. Okay, I think it comes in too late. So let's see what happens.
A name, and wherever you want to can save a string as a variable. So let me call it maybe a name. So I'll call it a name, and wherever you want.
Okay, so I'll split it at this portion here, and I do not want this anymore. The video that I've embedded
Are being printed.
okay, seems good. So then I want to make this bigger, way bigger. Okay, in fact I don't really need any portion except for this name portion, right? So maybe what I'll do is I'll make this big so that people can see it. To add some things, maybe I want to add a logo on the right hand side of the video. So take note, right, if you want to upload your course videos to Udemy, you are allowed to put in your logo. But if you want to upload that same video to other platforms like Skillshare doesn't allow you to put any logos or anything about yourself. Okay, no like your website on the slide, no logos that represent your company on the slides. Okay, so Canva is very good if you want to upload courses to Udemy and also other course platforms, and you want to make the best out of the platform. So for Udemy, you want to put in your logo. Okay, then for others platforms, you cannot put in your logo, so you can just simply take it out or not include it inside your videos. So for because for this video I'm going to upload to Udemy, let's assume I'm going to upload to Udemy, so I want to put in my logo. So maybe you can create your own logo. Okay, or you can, oops, maybe I should go here, logo. Okay, so maybe my logo is maybe a circle. Okay, you can also use the Canva template. Okay, or you can simply just put it in here. So maybe I want it to be white. Yeah, not too great. Gray. Learn. Maybe something simple like this. Okay. Then I want it on every single slide. So I'm going to Control C, which is to copy. Then I'm going to paste it on all my pages. Do I have it on the last slide as well? Okay, so now let's check to make sure that I have it on all my slides.
Hi, welcome to this course. In this lesson, we are going to learn about strings.
This portion also has my
name
logo
here, which is Mirab.
Okay, so if I download it, this will be you will see this already. So this is great. Then there are also other things that you can add on to your video. So for example, I want to maybe add in some animations, okay, at certain parts. So maybe at this part here, I want to
save a string as a variable.
So maybe what I want to put in is maybe some text. You can say print. Okay, basically maybe just something like this. Okay.
So let me call.
And I want to, for example, have some effects like highlighting. Okay, so
can save a string as a variable. So let me call it maybe a name. So I'll call it a name, and whenever you want to
not here, sorry, it should be here.
As a string, you need to put the inverted commas. So for example, my name is Mira. Okay. Now, if I want to print it, I can print my name here.
Okay, so I want the print this to come out at this point here. So I can right click again and show timing, and I want it here at this point here. Okay, you can also animate it how you want it to come. You can fade or you can pan. I'll choose pan. So if you look, this is what you have.
Print it. I can print my name here. All right. Okay, so now click on run and run module. Okay, and you will see the name which.
Okay, so basically this is how you add it. You can also add many more stuff to it, like for example at this point here.
So save it as at.
Okay, so for example I chose this and I want people to take note of where the save is.
Any file that.
Okay, so save as is here, so I need it to be slightly higher. So let's check again whether it is exactly at where I want it to be.
Save it. So save it as at.
Okay, here, save. Okay, great.
Any file that you like.
And I don't want it throughout, right? So I also need to change the timing. So click on it. This 3 dots here also shows you the options that you can do to this object here, which is the animated rectangle. So for example, I want it here. Okay, and I do not want it so long, right? So let's see how long it lasts. Okay, done. I want it off by this portion. Okay, so just from here to here, you'll see the animated square. That's it for this part. So I've added that portion. So in fact, you can also add many other things. You can also add images or even animated image GIFs. Okay, at certain point in your video, just by searching it under the elements section on Canva. So once you are done, you just need to go to share and download this video here. Okay, it is quite fast. Okay, so first it will I think process it, then you'll be able to download it. Okay, it doesn't take too long for most videos. Okay, and when I compared it to other options like OpenShot, this is way faster. Okay, for the amount of items. So because for this video here, I also embed one video onto another. So if you have to use other software, right, this will take the process, this will increase the processing time significantly. But for Canva, it doesn't. So this is one of the main reasons why I use Canva, because the time taken to actually process or to export the video after you have completed the edit is way shorter compared to many of the other softwares out there. Okay, so now let's wait for it to download. Okay, and there you go. You have this Python string video, okay, in MP4 format that you have created for your course.